Hi, in this video I will show you how to change filter on the Xiaomi Vacuum Robot Mop 2. Just open the front cover and pull out the dustbin collector, and then you need to unlatch it like that and install new filter. Push it back and place everything back into the vacuum, and it's ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.